Hi everyone, today is Unit 4, Lesson 25. It is the very last lesson for this unit before we begin on Unit 5. And today we are finishing out our last few lessons of assessments for Unit 4. Your job today is going to be to complete a pausing point activity. This is all in your Google Classroom form beneath this video. It's your job to select the word that best completes the sentence, and you're going to be showing what you know with R-controlled vowels. So I want you to be thinking ER, IR, UR. All of them make the sound. So I would like you to choose the word that best completes the sentence that uses an R-controlled vowel. Super short video today. Easy activity to finish up for Unit 4. And this is what I wanted to show you. We have officially, after you submit this Google form, you have officially completed Unit 4, and we will begin Unit 5 in our next lesson. Make sure you take your time, ask if you need any help. I think you guys are going to do a fantastic, fabulous job. Great job sticking with these assessments this week, breaking them into parts and bite-sized pieces and really getting them finished. So I'm super proud of you. Finish strong for your last lesson of Unit 4, and we will see you in Unit 5.